Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go do some deep sea fishing, hopefully get some tuna. We got Jord here.
Hey.
Arlo's back in the video.
What's up YouTube?
Claire's lingering in the background, still waking up. So yeah, we're just waiting for Halbert to show up. He's the guy we went out with before in our other videos. Yeah, he's got his boat out. He's got a new boat, so we're gonna go on that one. So yeah, we're just waiting for him to show up and we're gonna go fishing. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, señor. How you guys doing?
Todo bien? Todo vida?
Awesome.
Buenos dias.
Good morning.
So Halbert has another tour on his other boat, which is out here. So he can't come with us today, but we've got his brother here and another deckhand to help us get the big fish, some big mahis. So that was cool. We just got to see the whales and the dolphins. The dolphins jumping right by the boat like that. Jordan got a wicked shot. He was like right beside it, the edge of the boat. The dolphin was right there. I got a little piece of it as you saw. But yeah, we're still haven't hooked any fish yet. Still trolling around. How you feeling, Arlo?
Feeling good.
Yeah, you starting to feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's feeding the dolphins. Feeding them breakfast, right?
Doing my part.
Doing your part to
right.
Be part of nature, full circle. But yeah, just gonna keep trolling around out here, hopefully catch something soon and show you guys some action. So that's a nice thing when you come fishing with these guys, is they just set the lines out and then they'll just troll around, and then as soon as you hook something, one of you jumps up, grabs the rod and starts reeling it in. So you don't really have to know what you're doing. And George was just asking, like, do I need to know what I'm doing? Like, no, they'll just do everything for you. So it's nice. Yeah, you don't have to be a professional fisherman to come out and enjoy this. Cheers. Cheers. Salud. We all agreed it's late enough in the day on a boat to have a cerveza. Got to stay hydrated, right? right, so we're about 2 hours in now. Still no fish, so we're gonna switch over to trying to get some grouper now, which is closer to the bottom, I believe. So yeah, they're switching the lines over. They're fast at it. I wouldn't even know where to start. But we're enjoying some beverages still. It's hot. So is it different bait, or what do you do differently? Yeah.
Bait. Bonito bait.
So yeah, hopefully get one of them or several. Make some fish and chips, some proper fish and chips. Right?
That'd be nice.
Yeah. So yeah, they have the little tunas that they hook up and then try and catch the groupers. Should just eat the tuna that we have.
Fish and Margarita.
Spicy. Frozen?
So yeah, we got our first catch of the day.
I'm good.
How's the water?
Oh, come on.
That was the tough part.
Like wait for both of you and then
Cracking?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I don't think I've quite got the rhythm yet.
Yeah.
Feels heavy though. It could be.
Yeah.
Could be some bluefin tuna. Ah, there you go. Yeah, cool. Different fish.
Yeah.
What was it?
1, 2, 3, 4. Conejo.
Conejo. Yeah, cool. Nice.
Yeah. Cut your finger?
Yeah, that time, yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh shit, that's quite deep. Yeah, I just reached too high.
Oh.
Ugh.
you alright?
Yeah, there'll be cuts though, but yeah. They're fine, they're never like too bad. It's
No.
just like, oh,
Just blood.
yeah, look. I went to grab it and I had bad depth perception. Oh, yeah, please, yeah. I want shit. Whoa. Yeah, he'll be alright.
Just something on it.
Guys, yes.
Both injuries.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I got that on film too. So.
Cheers. Okay, guys, yes.
So for those of you wondering why I haven't put my drone up on a boat yet, Jordan's a perfect example.
Yeah.
It's bleeding pretty good.
Yeah.
It's like a clean cut though, because it
dripping.
spins so fast. But
You're fine. It's just the fingertips as well.
Yeah.
You don't use them for a lot.
no, not
Yeah,
a lot of
gracias,
stuff.
Thank you very much.
Doctor on the boat.
Yeah.
Round of applause. This has been you scraped your leg up, now you chopped your fingers off. Yeah, that's the tough thing about flying a drone when there's not much space to land it or catch it. I was gonna put mine up and then that happened. Like, no, I'm good. Alright, so it is the next day. It did rain like crazy when we got back from fishing, so we just hung out in town at Coco's and had a few too many drinks.
It was fun,
Actually, it was fun though, yeah. It was great to hang out with Jordan and Claire.
A few too many.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. It just kept coming for some reason, I don't know.
It just happens.
But yeah, it was super fun. I'll put a clip in right now of us sitting at the table. Salute.
Salute.
So this is what we do after fishing for the evening.
Need to replace the red blood cells from earlier.
And then Coronas and Margaritas. Shayna wasn't in the video, unfortunately,
Monster margarita.
because
I
she has
get
to work
sick on
tomorrow
the
and she didn't want to get sick, like Arlo did.
I had to work today.
And today, yes.
Yeah, it's a shame I don't have you in my videos.
I know. Jordan had a huge, what was that, a michelada or something?
Yeah. Mexican michelada.
Yeah.
That was my dinner, to be fair. Tomato
Yeah, tomato soup, yeah, exactly.
What do they call it, gazpacho?
Yeah, gazpacho. So yeah, they're checking out now. They're heading off to Tamarindo. So make sure to subscribe to Jordan's channel. I'm going to have it pop up at the end in the end screen. You can click on there, or it's in the description below, and follow the rest of his travels and go back and watch his old ones. Like I said, a lot of cool stuff there, and Claire's going to be in these ones too, or in his new ones. So yeah, they're going to check out. If you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come up with videos.
Bell.
Ring it, ring it, ring it. And we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye.
Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep